Yeah. Hello. Thank you very much for requesting for this ebook. Trust me, this ebook is gonna transform your business for good if you find the time to read it and also apply what we're teaching in that ebook. Now, today I want to talk to you about something special. Let me ask you a question. What is your genius? What is your unique ability as an entrepreneur? Because if you operate in your area of unique ability, your life and your business will transform instantaneously over time. Um, One of my clients, I'll tell you a story of one of my clients who discovered his unique ability and he has never looked back since then. I will tell you the story at the end of this video, and the video is really very short. So how do you find your unique ability is through a psychometric test. Because if you're trying to look yourself, you're not gonna be objective. It's like being a judge in your own case. You're not ever gonna be found guilty. So on a serious note, it is a powerful way to transform your business when you operate in your area of strength. So this test will takes about 10 minutes to do, but to give you about 60-page analysis of yourself, your strengths, your talents, your ability, your weaknesses. The first time I did the test, it felt like somebody was standing on my shoulder, watching every move I've made all my life. Very uncannily accurate. Now, so if you're wondering in your mind, who is this guy? Well, my name is Ayo Benson. I trained as a chartered accountant and worked in the corporate sector for so many years. I've got MBA, I'm an author and all that. But it's not about me today. It's just about you. The day my life changed was when I discovered my own unique ability is to take an entrepreneur and their business and transform both instantaneously so that they get the result. The reason why they got into business in the first place, they achieved that result and even more. Okay, so I've experienced tremendous level of success, tremendous level of happiness. Because when I was in the corporate world, I felt empty. Now I feel like I am on top of the world, and merely by speaking to entrepreneurs and helping them change and transform their businesses. Now, um, how would you like to get customers or clients, whatever you call it, chasing you, uh, to get that thing that you offer? Because there are people who will tell you that, oh, customers are very scarce. That's not true. Because there are 7.3 billion people in the world, the last time I checked, and they all have needs. And whatever you sell, whatever your service is, whatever you do, somebody somewhere needs it. You just only need to find where they congregate and communicate with them the right way. Okay, we're not actually teaching today. I just want to give you a brief value of what you're likely to get from us. I told you the story of my client who did the test. Joseph, is a consultant, but his business was struggling. And then when he met us, we got him to do this test and we analyzed it for him and got him to start doing the right thing in his business. His business moved from 250K to 550,000 in 1 year. Okay, and this year is likely to get to, it's on course for around 750,000 pounds. As an entrepreneur, you may say, that's a modest, sum. Yeah, that's true. But from where he was to where he is today and where he's likely to take his business, it is a big deal. So if you're already doing millions, how about doubling that, tripling that, quadrupling that? Doing the right thing, operating in your area of strength. Okay. Why do you need to change your business? Because you don't always have all the answers, right? That is why, as a business, as a consultant and as a coach, we help small businesses discover their own ingenuity and what is special about their business and how to get it to customers faster and faster and make more money and profit. Okay. um why are we doing this? Why are we, giving you ebook free? Why are we booking appointment with you free of charge? Because we operate in this community and we get our successes from this community, and we want also to give back to this community. And as a business concern, we also want to get to know you, help you get your business to the next level. Not just by addressing your strategies, but by addressing your unique ability so that you get to the next level faster. Okay. So whatever your business challenge, if you book an appointment with us, the ebook we sent you, we have a link there where you can book appointment. And in the next few days, we're going to be sending you a series of emails that would, contain some powerful methods that you can use to improve your business. So make sure you whitelist our email and make sure you read those emails. People work hard, work smarter. We shall be teaching you how to work smarter, and not only that, how to know the right things to do, because where most entrepreneurs fail is doing the wrong thing. It's not that they're not working hard. Almost every entrepreneurs are working hard, actually working too hard, doing the wrong thing. Thank you for listening to this, and hopefully you book appointment. We also have the link to that appointment in our subsequent emails to you. Take advantage. We have limited space though, so the earlier you book appointment, the better. We explore with you how your business can improve. If we feel you are not a good fit for us to work with you at this point, we're gonna give you a roadmap, free, that you can go away and implement. That in itself is worth about £1,000. So what are you waiting for? What have you got to lose? Get on and book appointment with us, and then let's explore how we can be of help to you. Thank you very much for listening to this, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.